We are the basement of the Faculty of Political Science in Zagreb. Here the magic happens. Students are preparing for their TV program show, Croatia, News and Me.
So Croatia is a workshop that we have here in our studio every year. So Dr. Bill Silcock from the Arizona State University, he comes here every year to work with our students on creating a show, basically, that's all created by students, and we work 2 full weeks on creating stories that are important to us, that are important to the time we live in currently, and it's really an amazing time.
Yes, of course.
See, they are working hard. It has been like this for the last 2 weeks. But let's find out the background.
This year's Croatia has stories about news. So journalists protesting the media and press freedom, and the problem of creating fake news and fake news in today's society becoming a problem. And the other one is centered more around Croatia.